Hi, I'm Amalia Martinez. I'm from Argentina. I have worked as a business management specialist in the public and third sector for over 10 years now. Today, I would like to share with you a different aspect of development. Let me share the behind the scenes of a wonderful program in theory, but a challenged one in practice. There was a program for income generation in Latin America. Through community-based organizations, CBOs, it provided vocational skills training within disadvantaged communities, and in the second stage, it connected the participants with potential employers. This program was funded by a large institution, which requires several documents for accountability, specifically on the number of participants, their selection process, procurement procedures, and so on. I joined the program when organizations were preparing to report on the first stage, the vocational training. My team and I found out that most organizations were unable to meet the donors' accountability requires to continue to the second stage. When examining the challenges, we understood that many of them were either unaware of the importance of these requirements or just unable to fulfill them. They expressed not having the staff, the tools, the overall capacities. On the other side, the donor was reluctant to continue to support the program in those circumstances. There was a complete disconnection between donors and CBOs, which threatened the project and, more importantly, the community's trust in the systems and themselves. We offer a small-scale training to help the organizations understand the rationale behind the requirements and how they should be fulfilled. This training contributed to including in the second stage many CBOs that otherwise would have suspended their activities. Throughout the years in the development field, we have learned the importance of working with communities in order to make development sustainable and meaningful. And the CBOs are crucial actors, as they are our connection with the communities. However, CBOs are often not strong enough in terms of their organizational capacity to carry out projects as expected. CBOs are usually born out of a pressing need or a dream created by activists of people with a great desire for change. So bureaucratic requirements and programmatic procedures tend to not be the priority. Now, when they develop and grow, they succeed in securing funding, employing workers, volunteers, and promoting projects. But they also begin facing several challenges. As we saw, informal economic management and insufficient documentation increases their financial risk. Weak record-keeping and monitoring and evaluation procedures limit their capacity to report on their impact and learn from their actions. All of this, when combined with a significant staff turnover, leads to a loss of organizational knowledge. These are only some examples of the organizational struggles that prevent CBOs from stabilizing and becoming sustainable agents of change. Therefore, mainstreaming organizational capacities assessment and strengthening when working with small local organizations, whether by including capacity building into programming, promoting the use of low-cost technology, or even reaching out to skills-based volunteering programs, it can play a significant role in sustainable development. And this is why I want to invite you to put this on the agenda, so we can contribute to having healthier and stronger CBOs for healthier and stronger communities. Thank you.